Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and the time has come to use one of the most popular Plasti Dip colors that we've ever sold, Wicked Wine, as a base color for a HyperShift. I can't believe it's taken us this long, but I'm super excited. As most of you know, Wicked Wine is a deep, bold, wine-colored red. Everybody seems to love the color, including myself. It's been on our RS7. It looks gorgeous, and the pearl that we're putting on top of it is a new HyperShift, ZGL HyperShift. This is a white powder HyperShift that shifts from, actually, I'm not even gonna cut this. It's not even gonna be a blooper. I have no idea what freaking colors this pearl shifts from. I can't keep track of these anymore. It looks like goldish, greenish, bluish. I don't know, we're gonna find out. It's going over Wicked Wine. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project. Now, I'm gonna ask you right off the bat to do me a favor. We're gonna go outside right now, and we're gonna check out this car, ZGL over Wicked Wine. And I want you to leave a comment below and rate this shift from 1 to 5. 1, super weak, sucks. 5, totally blew your mind. I wanna see if your rating matches up with mine. I had no idea what to expect from ZGL, and this is what we got. Not gonna say anything else. If you wanna dip your car, click up here. Lots of colors and kits to choose from. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I'll see you on the next video.